so good day everyone. Welcome to our Kaiser training. Hindi ko napapatagalin, no? Diretso na tayo sa training natin. So this is one of the product that tinuturo natin sa IMG para makapag-umpisa tayo how to save and how to invest and how to protect ourselves. So isa sa mga partner company natin is si Kaiser International. So the first name in healthcare. So unang-una, alamin muna natin or kilalanin muna natin sino si Kaiser. So Kaiser is duly accredited with the Department of Health or DOH. This company is likewise registered with SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission. Nag-start siya noong June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. So kung titingnan naman natin, actually ito pwede nyo i-look up sa online, no? So ito naman yung license number ni Kaiser International Health Group sa Insurance Commission. Pwede nyo pong tingnan ito sa online, gaya ng sabi ko, nasa number 17 po siya dito sa list na to. And then, for your awareness, Kaiser International Health Group, Inc. is the healthcare provider of the following among many. So sa government natin, siya po ang healthcare provider ng Supreme Court, also House of Representatives and Department of Agrarian Reform. So Kaiser's board of directors are seasoned experts in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry with its president and medical director, Dr. Leia Uy Yolo. She is a seasoned HMO executive and prominent doctor. Outstanding Tomasian sa Department of Medicine, no? So 2019 given by University of Santo Tomas. So very active din siya sa PAMOK. PAMOK is a Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization companies. So itong picture na to, I believe, was taken in one of IMG conventions. So nakadilaw siya. I think this would be 2018 local convention. So yan po si Dr. Leia. As we all know, ang ating pong brand ambassadress is no other than Ms. Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan. So balikan muna natin yung concept na tinuturo natin sa IMG, no? Para makita natin gaano pa ka-fit si Kaiser and yung savings plan na ito sa tinuturo natin na financial concept in international marketing group. As you all know, what we teach in IMG is to build a solid financial foundation, and as we start ang financial journey natin sa IMG, ito ang gusto nating ma-achieve, to have a solid financial foundation. So ano nga ba ulit yung solid financial foundation? So to build a solid financial foundation, ito yung proper step. You should provide yourself with, of course, you have to increase your cash flow. That's the first step. You should provide yourself with proper protection. So kailangan may healthcare ka, meron kang life insurance coverage, you have to eliminate, manage your debt, create emergency fund, and then have investment. So Kaiser answers the three major financial needs. Kaya most, if not all, IMG members dito nag-uumpisa, lalo na kung wala pang experience sa pagsisave, pero gusto na mag-umpisa para hindi naman overwhelming, no? When you start kasi yung Kaiser Savings Plan mo, dito sa solid financial foundation natin, tatlo agad yung nasasagutan. You have the healthcare coverage, you have the life insurance coverage, and then you have the investment. Okay, you should consider your healthcare and protection as a priority. Bakit? So, i-remind lang natin dun sa membership orientation natin, no, bakit daw kailangan i-prioritize natin yung healthcare saka protection natin? Ito, why? Even if you save a few hundred pesos a month but have no healthcare and life insurance, it will not take you far. When you get sick, disabled, or die suddenly, your savings won't last very long. This is very true. So getting long-term healthcare and life insurance are the best investment. This is actually the secrets of the wealthy. Kaya before, no, ang nagbe-benefit lang nito ay yung mga mayaman is because sila yung nakaintindi nung benefit nito. Kaya sila yung kumukuha ng coverage, sila yung kumukuha ng insurance coverage. Kaya hindi na-educate properly yung ibang tao. But through the international marketing group, naiintindihan natin na ito pala yung proper way of building wealth. So kaya sabi, no, bringing the secret of the wealthy to all. So, tama po yung sinabi dito. Say, for example, dumiretso ka sa investment. Hindi mo naintindihan yung importance ng life insurance and healthcare. Meron kang 100,000 na investment, kaya lang wala kang healthcare coverage. Paano kung bigla kang magkasakit? Enough ba yung 100,000 mo para makapagpagamot ka at gumaling ka? Diba? Maganda kung enough siya, pero higher chances kulang eh. So kung naubos na yung 100,000 mo, hindi ka pa gumagaling, anong gagawin mo? So either stop mo na yung medication mo or syempre mahutang ka para tuloy-tuloy yung pagpapagamot. What if hindi lang nagkasakit yung breadwinner ng family? Bigla siyang namatay. So naiwan niya yung pamilya niya, no? Kahit meron siyang 100,000 na investment, yung 100,000 na yun, iwan niya sa pamilya niya, meron siyang 3 anak. Yung iba doon, hindi pa halos nag-aaral. Diba? Enough pa yung 100,000 na iwan niya sa pamilya niya para i-sustain yung education, yung basic needs at least. So yun po yung importance ng proper protection. So importance of having the right healthcare. This is the sad truth. A lot of sick people die, not because there is no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for this cost. Alam niyo po, napakamahal pong magpagamot. Pero marami naman po sakit, through the help of technology, ay kaya nang gamutin ngayon. Pero, kaya bang magpagamot kung kaya bang magpagamot ng libre? Diba? Mahal po magpagamot. So, if you have enough funds, pwede tayong gumaling. Pero, kung wala tayong enough medical funds, kahit meron pong gamot dun sa sakit natin, mahirap po tayong gumaling, no? Or imposible po. Okay. During the productive years, free ang healthcare coverage mo from your company. Tama? Lalo na sa mga nasa abroad or karamihan po sa atin na nandito sa UAE, di ba mandated by government, dapat meron pang coverage. So during your productive years, bigla kang magsakit, walang problema. Kaya kang i-cover ng HMO na pinoprovide ng company mo. Ito yung irony. Pagdating mo ng 60 pataas na age, kung kailang lumalabas na yung sakit, di ba? During the retirement years, saka wala kang healthcare coverage. So saan mo ngayon kukunin yung panggastos mo in case na magkasakit ka? So during the productive years, kayang-kaya mong i-provide sa sarili mo yung comfortable medication, right? Can you imagine yourself at the age of 60 kung kailan medyo mababa na yung resistensya mo, mabilis ka na mahawaan ng sakit, yung pagod na binigay mo nung productive years, unti-unti mo nang nararamdaman during the retirement years, tapos bigla ka nagkasakit dahil wala kang healthcare coverage, dito ka mapupunta. Napaka-miserable. Ayaw natin yan. This is the reason kung bakit as early as now, habang kumikita pa tayo ng maayos, nasa productive years pa tayo, gusto nating turuan ang bawat Pilipino na paghandaan na yung para sa retirement. Okay? So, si Kaiser International Health Group offers one-of-a-kind HMO product, the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So, ito po yung magiging focus ng training natin for today. Ano ba si Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder? It is a 7-year paying and 13-year waiting plan. So, 7 years ka lang mag-iipon, you wait for 13 years para mag-compound yung savings mo at lumaki yung funds mo para sa healthcare fund mo during the retirement. It is designed to provide the healthcare beyond that of an HMO. Allows individuals to save during employment while still being covered by companies' health plans. So, very clear po yan, no? Ayan po yung action plan dito. Habang meron ka pang coverage from your company, magkasakit ka ngayon, pwede mo yung gamitin. Through this Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder, binibuild up mo na yung savings plan mo or healthcare fund mo for retirement. So geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after employment and retirement years, and securing a more comfortable elderly life. So 720. So ganyan siya dinesign, no? 7 years ka magsisave, you wait for 13 years, on the 20th year, I'll be discussing more. Ano ba yung mga pwede nating, ano ba yung merong nakapaloob dun sa 7 years, dun sa 13 years maturity, and beyond that of maturity age. Okay, para po klaro yung explanation or training natin ngayon, I'll be using isa dun sa mga plans, among many po, no? Marami po tayong plans sa Kaiser. Pero ang gagamitin ko pong sample dito ay K100 plan. So meron po tayong 5 options for payment. You can do spot cash payment, annual, so once a year, semi-annual, that's every 6 months, quarterly, so that's every 3 months, and monthly. So for K100 plan, nandyan po yung mga amount, di ba? So, ito po yung gagamitin kong plan as sample for this training. So, during accumulation or saving period, ito po yung from the first year up to the 7th year. So, ito po yung mga benefits na included. Number 1 would be annual physical examination. This is to be administered by an accredited clinic. So, ito pong APE na to, it covers yung basic 5. Ano yung basic 5 na yon? physical examination, checks x-ray, fecalysis, urinalysis, and complete blood count. ECG for members above 35, and pap smear for female members above 35 years old or as required by their doctor. Ito po, hindi po ito binabawas dun sa annual benefit limit ninyo. Okay? Second benefit, dental benefit. So, ano mga inclusions niyan? Unlimited dental checkups, unlimited simple tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, recementation of jackets, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of denture. So, ito, kagaya po ng APE, yung number 1, hindi rin po siya dinideduct sa ating annual benefit limit. Ito, number 3, basic medical health benefits. So, syempre, kailangan accredited physician, specialist or surgeon's fee or anesthesiologist fee, kino-cover po yan. In the event na kailanganin po. Operating room, so kailangan mag-undergo ng surgery, yung cost po ng operating room can be covered. And hospital intensive care can be covered as well. So, members' choice of room and board up to 1,000 pesos per day. So, yearly medical benefit limit of 60,000 per year after full payment of the first year of the total premium. Ito pong 60,000 per year ay nakabase po ito dun sa sample plan ko na K100 plan. So, nagbabari po siya kung anong plan po yung kinuha natin, no? So, note, the above provision 1, 2, and 3 can be availed of after payment of the first year of the total premium. So, kung naka-annual payment ka, pwede mo na siyang i-avail agad. If not, so after po nung payment ng first year payment. Okay. So, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, si Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder ay meron din pong life insurance coverage. So, you are covered for 20 years or until age of 75. So, long-term care benefit plus long-term care bonus. So, for K100 plan, ang long-term care benefit niya obviously is 100,000. Long-term care bonus naman is 350,000. Saan po nanggaling yung 350,000? In the event na yung annual benefit limit nyo po ay hindi nyo nagamit during the paying period or saving period of 7 years, 85% po ng contract price, for K100 plan, that's 411,000. No? So, 85% of 411,000 would be 350,000. 85% po ng contract price nyo ay ibabalik po sa inyo in the form of long-term care bonus. So, you total that up, that's 450,000. For K100 plan, yan po ang life insurance coverage ninyo. If the cause of death is natural po yung cause of death, ito po yung makukuha ng beneficiary natin bilang ito po yung coverage ninyo. But if the cause of death is accidental death, you multiply that by 2. So 450,000 times 2, that's 900,000. Okay? So yan, term life insurance coverage. So if the member dies, before po niyang ma-reach yung age ng 75, no? And prior to this entitlement to the long-term care benefit as indicated in the schedule of benefit, his beneficiary shall be entitled to an amount equal to the sum of long-term care benefit and long-term care bonus upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. Yun po yung computation na pinakita ko kanina, 100,000 plus 350,000. So yun po yung makukuha ng beneficiary. That is for K100 plan. Accidental death and dismemberment. Kung halimbawa, gaya po na sabi ko kanina, if the cause of death is accident, so times 2 po. Paano kung dismemberment lang? Meaning may mga parts ng katawan na naputol, no? So, meron din pong coverage yan. Ito po pinapakita yung percentage. Depende po kung ano yung... So, should the member suffer directly and independently of all other causes, any bodily injury affected solely through external, violent and accidental mean occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, which result in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following. Okay? Number 8, waiver of installment due to death or credit life. Yan. If the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, The proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of his contract price upon the approval of the claim by the insurance company, if any. The difference, if any, shall be paid to this designated beneficiary. So can you imagine, ma-waive na yung installment mo, matatransfer pa yung policy dun sa beneficiary mo. At the same time, wala nang babayaran sa beneficiary. Kung magkano man yung remaining na kailangan, halimbawa, no, you've been paying for 6 years, meron ka pang remaining na few amount na kailangan bayaran, yun po ay i-deduct na dun sa life insurance coverage mo para nang sa ganun, si beneficiary, wala na siya, hindi niya na kailangan ituloy yung pagbabayad. Diba? And kung magkano po yung difference, marireceive po as cash ni kung sino man yung declared beneficiary natin. So number 9, waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. Kanina, kung namatay si plan holder. Ito naman po, kung naging permanently disabled. Diba? Bakit? Siyempre, kung permanently disabled si plan holder, affected po yung kakayahan niya to earn income. Diba? So, it only shows na it will affect yung paghuhulog niya. Mawawala yung capacity niya to earn income, at the same time, mawawala yung capacity niya na pagpatuloy yung pagbabayad niya or paghuhulog niya sa Kaiser plan niya. Hence, the installment will be waived. So if the member becomes totally disabled during the accumulation period and or before his or her 75th birthday, thereby preventing him from engaging in any occupation for compensation or profit, is so disabled for life, and such disability continues for at least 6 months, Kaiser shall waive the payment of each installment becoming due during the life and such disability. However, pending approval of the claims, installments should be paid as at they fall due, subject to refund upon approval. Okay? Number 10, ito marami nagtatanong nito, pag kumuha po ba ako ng Kaiser Savings Plan, pwede po bang magamit ng pamilya ko? So, to answer that directly, yes. Pero kailangan ko rin ipaintindi sa inyo, what is the reason why you're getting itong Kaiser Savings Plan? Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, this is for your personal protection, lalo na if you're the breadwinner. Eh syempre, paano kung nagkasakit ka? Di ba? Kung ikaw ang breadwinner, okay lang eh. Kung, halimbawa, say for example, family member mo yung nagkasakit, ikaw yung breadwinner, tulungan mo sila magpagamot. Pero kung ikaw yung breadwinner, sino tutulong sa'yo? So you should have yung healthcare coverage. Di ba? So primarily, you're getting the savings plan para nang sa ganun, something happens sa'yo, bigla kang magkasakit, meron kang pampagamot. Okay? But, hindi naman natin maalis na gusto nating isipin yung pamilya natin, right? Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na Family Assistance Service. So how does this work? Family Assistance Service, policies should be in active status and plan should have completed at least 1 year payment. Okay, so kailangan naka-active status po yung policy natin and dapat at least nakabayad na tayo ng 1 year. Nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policyholder or within the first degree of consanguinity. So policyholder agrees to avail only of the services of Kaiser accredited doctors and affiliated network of hospitals. Same naman po, no? Kung ikaw mismo yung gagamit ng policy mo, syempre doon ka magpapagamot sa accredited doctors and affiliated hospitals. So kung ipapagamit natin yung plan mo or yung policy mo sa family member, ganun din po. The same applies. So assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be to the extent of allowable benefits due to the plan holder under his policy. So kung halimbawa kay 100 plan yung policy mo, yun din yung pwedeng gamitin ng beneficiary natin within that coverage. So prior to discharge of the nominated patient, payment should have been settled to Kaiser. Kaiser's approval to avail of such assistance must first be obtained by the member and the issuance of LOA will then be given. So please note that this assistance is an accommodation and not considered a benefit of the plan. Hence, approval and denial on the ailment solely depends on Kaiser management evaluation. Okay? So accredited hospitals, we have at least 800 accredited hospitals, intensive care units, operating room. If you want, kung gusto nyo pong i-look up kung ano po yung nearest na hospital or clinic sa inyo, you can go dito sa pre-provide ko po na link. Diba? Ito po yung official page or website ni Kaiser Health Group. So doon po makikita natin ano yung mga accredited hospitals and clinic. So special and extended benefits, magnetic MRI, so nuclear radioactive isotope scan, CT scan, dialysis, so on and so forth. Sa lahat po yan ay covered. Punta naman tayo sa extended period. Yung extended period po is after ng saving period. So nag-save ka 1 to 7 years, hinuhulugan mo yung Kaiser savings plan mo, what happens on the 8th year up to the 20th year? So pasok na tayo ngayon sa extended period. So ito yung mga benefits. So unang-una yung tinatawag nating LTCBV. Ano ba yon? Long-term care benefit value. So babasahin ko muna sa slide na to and then dun sa mga susunod na slide, papakita natin siya in computation and in demo. So itong long-term care benefit value, it is a guaranteed health benefit as shown in the schedule of benefits which can be used at the end of 20th year as part of the hospital benefit limit until fully utilized or can be converted into cash on the 20th year. Second, yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit. So that is 10% of the long-term care benefit value earned starting from the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th year. Itong pangatlo po is yung long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit. So approximately 85% of the total membership fees which can be converted into cash or be a part of the hospital benefit limit from the 20th year until fully utilized. So lifetime network access to over 10,000 doctors, over 800 hospitals as long as you have funds available in your health benefits. Cost-free health benefits, so we'll discuss more about that later on this training. Additional yearly healthcare hospital benefit. So it is a benefit other than the YHCBL at the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th contract year, provided that Kaiser's investment earnings is higher than 6% per annum. Okay? So ganito siya. After mo mag-save ng 7 years, ito na yung extended period. On the 8th year, so gamitin ko pa rin po yung K100 plan, no? So ang plan na gagamitin ko dito ng computation is K100 plan. So kunin natin yung 10% ng 100,000. So yung 10% yearly health benefit, 10% ng 100,000 is 10,000. So on the 8th year up to the 20th year, meron po tayong allowance na 10,000 per year. Na kumikita po, guaranteed 10% per year as well. So kung hindi mo pa siya nagagamit, nadadagdag po siya dun sa 10,000 or dun sa 10% the following year. So in this example, on the 8th year, you have 10,000, hindi mo siya ginamit on the 8th year, kumita siya ng 10%, no? So that's 1,000. So nadagdag po yun dun sa 10,000 dun sa ika-9th year. Kaya pagdating mo ng 9th year, 21,000 na yung value niya. So on and so forth, for as long as hindi mo siya nagagamit, nadadagdag at nadadaglang po yung value. So dito po sa sample na to, given na from the 8th year up to the 20th year ay hindi natin dinalaw itong yearly health benefit, so ang accumulated health benefit mo is 269,750. Okay? Ito naman pong yearly health bonus. Yearly health bonus, nag-i-start po siya on the 2nd year. Diba? So kumikita po yung ating savings plan in the form of dividends. So dito po sa pre-computed natin, it's 32,981 on the 8th year. Kung hindi po natin ito gagalawin, so ang accumulated health bonus po natin on the 20th year is 446,419. And then idagdag po natin yung long-term care benefit upon maturity. So ito po yung plan natin, no? K100, so that's 100,000. Plus yung long-term care bonus upon maturity, if no claim during saving period, gaya po na in-explain ko kanina, so 85% po ibabalik sa atin. So that's 350,000. If you total that up, ang total maturity value niya on the 20th year is 1.1 million at least. Balikan ko po kung magkano yung contract price, no? For K100 plan, ang contract price po nito, i-round off ko na, nasa 411,000 siya. So ibig sabihin, within 7 years, naghulog ka ng 411,000. But on the 20th year, ang magiging total maturity value niya is 1.1 million. So gusto ko pong i-take advantage itong opportunity na to para ipakita natin, no, ano ba yung advantage if you're using yung power of interest. Sabihin natin hindi natin ini-invest or ini-invest yung pera natin or sinisave yung pera natin with an interest. Kaya ba nating makabuo ng 1.1 million? Yes. Pero tingnan po natin kung gaano kalaki yung difference. Kung hindi natin isi-save yung pera natin on an investment vehicle na magbibigay sa atin ng magandang interest rate, ito po yung kailangan natin gawin. So comparison, you have to save 58,000 per year for the next 20 years for you to hit 1.1 million. So ganun po kaganda yung Kaiser Savings Plan. Kasi sa Kaiser Savings Plan, nag-save ka lang ng 7 years, right? Magkano yung sinave mo? 411,000. You just have to wait for another 13 years and then the total maturity value will be 1.1 million. As to compare kung hindi mo ilalagay yung pera mo dun sa may magandang interest rate, hindi siya nagmamature, so you have to invest 58,000 for the next 20 years para mabuo mo yung 1.1 million na yun. Napalaki po ng difference. So, ganun po ka-importante ang financial education. So, pre-existing medical condition. Doon po sa extended years onwards, covered na po ang pre-existing condition. So, ano ba yung mga pre-existing medical condition? Those illnesses or injuries considered to be in the existence prior to the effective date of the contract. Any professional advice or treatment was given for such illness or condition. Such illness or condition was in any way evident to the member before the effective date of the contract. The pathogenesis of such illness or condition started whether or not the member is aware of it. So ito po yung mga sample po, no, ng mga following illnesses will be covered during extended period. Hindi ko na po babasahin isa-isa. Dreaded illnesses can also be covered. So ito po yung mga sample ng mga dreaded illness that can be covered already during the extended period. So long-term care period, ito po yung 21st year onwards, meaning matured na yung policy natin. So gaya na naging computation natin, di ba? On the 20th year, ito na yung maturity value ng K100 plan natin, nasa 1.1 million. So ito yung mga options natin. Ano ang pwede mong gawin dito sa maturity value na to? So first, continued health benefits with term life insurance. Pwede mo pong ituloy, you have the option na ituloy yung healthcare benefits mo. Kung gusto mo pa rin ng term life insurance by this time, pwede po. Second option is this. Continued health benefits with yearly increment. Annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. So, ibig sabihin, dun sa out of 1.1 million na maturity value, dahil ini-invest pa yan, kumikita po yan, hindi ba? So, dito sa option 2, yung increment or your income ay pwede mong withdrawin yearly. So, makikita po natin yung details niyan sa mga susunod na slides. Ano naman yung magiging difference niya sa term life insurance? Kung hindi option 1 yung kinuha mo, option 2 yung pinili mo. Option 3, partial withdrawal of up to 50% of the total health benefits. And option number 4, full withdrawal of total health benefits. So marami po nagtatanong nito, no? Coach, kukuha ko ng Kaiser, pero paano kung hindi ako sa Pilipinas bigla akong mag-decide na hindi ako sa Pilipinas re-retire. Lilipat ako na ibang bansa or sa Canada, Australia ako magre-retire, hindi pala sa Pilipinas. Sayang naman yung hinulog ko sa Kaiser. Hindi. With this option 4, you can consider yung Kaiser savings plan mo as an investment. Pwede mo siyang i-liquidate as cash. Okay? So, dito pa lang, no, nakikita natin that with Kaiser itself, talagang pinapractice natin na you can become your own money manager. Why? Kasi pag nag-mature na yung sinave up mo ng 7 years, you have these 4 options. So, pwede kang mamili, ikaw ang pwedeng magbigay ng command kung anong gusto mong gawin dun sa naging savings mo. So, ito po yung option 1, no? Total health benefit. So, ito yung settlement options. So, total health benefits, at the end of the extended period, members enjoy this benefit, which is the sum of all benefits under the Kaiser Premium Health Builder. It's option 1. Continued health benefits with term life insurance. So this option will give you the following benefit. Letter A, continued term life insurance up to the age of 80, equivalent to at least 50% of the total health benefits, but not to exceed 2 million face amount. Okay? So kung option 1 po yung pipiliin natin, if you notice, if you remember kanina rather, up to age 75 lang po yung coverage, right? But if you opt for option 1, you can be covered with term life insurance up to the age of 80. Okay? Letter B, coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to the total health benefits. So, i-carry over niya yung benefit mo during the extended period. So, pre-existing conditions will still be covered. Meron ka pa rin annual physical examination through Kaiser Medical Center and or Kaiser designated accredited clinics, unlimited consultations with all branches of clinics of Kaiser Medical Center, access to over 500 hospitals, 800 clinics, 10,000 doctors, dental benefits, meron din po, and then continued health benefits with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market. But ito yung good news dito, in no case less than 3% per annum. So ibig sabihin, hindi po bumababa yung investment or yung interest natin lower than 3%. Tingnan naman natin yung option 2. So option 2, continued health benefit with yearly increment, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. Yung kanina, hindi mo kinukuha yung earnings, tuloy-tuloy lang. Dito sa option 2, kung ano yung kinita from the base amount, kinikita mo yung increment amount earned yearly. So, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned from total health benefits, meron ka pa rin term life insurance coverage with this. Pero, mas maliit kesa dun sa option 1. Sa option 1, at least 50%, diba? Dito, continued term life insurance coverage up to age 80 to at least 25% of the total health benefits, but not to exceed, medyo mas mababa ng konti, 1 million face amount. But it's still not bad. Diba? Coverage on all pre-existing conditions, so same po yan. Access to 500 hospitals, 800 clinics. Meron ka pa rin dental benefits. You can still have yung annual physical examination. And then continued health benefits with yearly increment, same po ng ating floor, which is 3%. So hindi bumababa sa 3% po yung interest. Option 3, partial withdrawal of up to 50% of total health benefits. So withdrawal of up to 50% of total health benefits and continue to enjoy the following benefits but without term life insurance. So dito sa option 3, tinanggal na po yung term life insurance coverage. So this option entitles you to the following benefits. So meron ka pa rin coverage sa pre-existing conditions, unlimited consultations, access to over 500 hospitals, 800 clinics, 10,000 doctors. May dental benefits pa rin, annual physical examination, and same pa rin po ng floor ng investments natin, which is 3%. Diba? So at least dito in this option naman, pwede kang mag-partial withdrawal up to 50% no total health benefits mo. Pwede mo na siyang i-cash out. 50% max. And then gaya nung sabi ko kanina, option 4, full withdrawal of total health benefits. So pwede mo i-liquidate yung full total health benefits as cash. So full withdrawal of total health benefits, the policy is considered fully availed of. So ito, take note of this ha. Should there be no option chosen within 30 days from the receipt of this letter, option 1 po ang automatically na mag-a-apply. Okay? So notes, for withdrawal due to non-medical reasons, the term life insurance coverage will automatically be discontinued. Kaiser reserves the right to discontinue the health benefits and return all available unused health funds to the members at any time without notice. Okay? So at least klaro sa atin, what are the 4 options na pwede nating pag-isipan or pagdesisyonan pagdating po ng maturity period na ating Kaiser. Ayan. Ito, common na tanong to or madalas na tanong sa atin, no? Kaiser funds allocation. So maganda na aware din tayo, no? At least 51% of the payments made by plan holders automatically goes to a trust fund as required by government. Take note of that, as required by government. So Kaiser cannot touch this trust fund. It is reserved for the future claims by the plan holders. Okay. So, ang Kaiser Trust Funds are managed by two international banks. So, ang isa po dyan is ING Bank, nasa Netherlands po yan, and Deutsche Bank sa Germany. So, saan naman po napupunta yung 49% remaining? 49% goes to investment, portion of which is managed by Solvibo funds. So, this is being invested sa at least top 100 na companies in the Philippines. So, well-diversified po yung ating portfolio. So, ito po yung sample ng ating contract. Ito po makikita natin sa OPMS natin, Online Policy Management System. So, pwede po natin basahin yan para mas familiar or mas aware po tayo sa ating magiging coverage. Ayan, PhilHealth. Your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. Take note of this. Once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form. So, yung portion po na pwedeng i-cover ni PhilHealth, ima-minus po muna siya dun sa bill natin, saka po i-deduct dun sa ating Kaiser coverage. And then, Kaiser policyholders without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. Grace period, ayan. Meron po kasi mga nagtatanong, no, paano po kung bigla akong mawala ng work? Hindi ko po nabayaran. Ano po mangyayari sa Kaiser Savings Plan ko? So, unang-una, gusto ko pa rin i-emphasize yung importance ng solid financial foundation. Dito po mapasok yung emergency fund. If we have emergency fund, we have at least 3 to 6 months of our equivalent of our monthly expense or monthly income. Kahit mawalan tayo ng work, pwede natin ituloy-tuloy yung pagbabayad or paghuhulog sa ating Kaiser. Pero paano kung hindi talaga kaya? Meron po tayong tinatawag na grace period. So, within 30 days, after po ng due date ninyo, hindi pa po mako-considered na lapse yung policy. Okay? So, within 30 days, pwede nyo pa yung hulugan. Active pa yung plan. Reinstatement. Paano kung nag-lapse na yung policy? So, meron kang two options. First option is to update. Paano ba yan? Ang updating po, member will pay the premiums due on all the missed months plus surcharge of 1.5% per month or 8% per annum from the date of each unpaid installment. So, ibig sabihin, kung naka-monthly ka, may na-miss ka pong 3 months, so kailangan natin hulugan yung miss months natin na hindi natin nahulugan. Plus yung surcharge na 1.5% per month or 8% per annum. Another option is redate. Ang redating naman is member will only pay the premium for the month but the maturity period will be moved. So, kung naka-monthly ka ngayon, no, monthly po ang mode of payment mo. Say, for example, may na-miss kang 3 months, gusto mong i-reinstate yung policy mo, through redating, hindi mo kailangang hulugan yung 3 months na na-miss mo, magbayad ka lang ng 1 buwan, ma-activate yung policy, yun lang, dahil may na-miss kang 2 months at hindi naman natin siya in-update, mamumove po yung maturity mo for another 2 months. Yung maturity period po ang mag-move. Hence, the term redating. So, ang mga requirements dyan would be yung reinstatement application form, plus meron po tayong reinstatement fee of 300 pesos. Okay? So, yung reinstatement natin can be done within 2 years after po nung last miss na due date or unpaid due date. So, halimbawa, nawalan ka ng work ngayon, talagang hindi makapaghulog, siguro naman po within 2 years, mahanapan natin ng paraan na mabalik natin yung income natin. No? So, pwede po natin i-reinstate yung policy natin at maituloy natin yung pag-iipon. So, the member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing conditions and for purposes of contestability of insurance coverage and to any other requirements for a new applicant for membership in effect at that time. Kaiser will cancel the contract within need of notice to the owner if he fails to reinstate within the prescribed period. All reinstated plans shall be subjected to the new price. Kung meron lang naman pong changes sa price. Okay, healthcare value. The owner may surrender the contract for its cash value stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least a year. Ayan, transferability of the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Marami rin nagtatanong yan, pwede po bang i-transfer yung policy ko? So, is it transferable or can it be assigned? Yes, the benefits under the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan can be transferred or assigned by the member provided that during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the principal beneficiary who shall receive all remaining outstanding benefits under the said plan in the event of his or her death. However, the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan itself cannot be sold, assigned, or transferred to any third party, nor payment of membership fee be assumed by sold third party. So very clear po yan, ha? What are the benefits that can be received by the principal beneficiary? Yung yearly healthcare benefit value can be transferred, long-term care benefit value, long-term healthcare experience incentive, additional healthcare hospital benefit limit, provided that investment earnings of the company is higher than 6% per annum. Okay, so very clear po yan regarding sa transferability. Upgrading of plan. So upgrading of plan can be done within 30 days after its effectivity date. So mga kailangan dyan would be filled out amendment form. May payment po na kailangan for processing fee, that's 300 pesos, and then payment of additional installment corresponding to the updated plan. Siyempre, if you're from K100 plan, you want to move to K250, so siyempre may amount difference yan, so kailangan natin bayaran yan if you want to upgrade. So upgrading po ng plan to, ha, klaruhin ko po, within 30 days after the effectivity date ng policy, you can do upgrading of the plan or of the policy. Ito naman, upgrading ng mode of payment. So magkaiba po, ha, yung isa kanina, upgrading ng plan. Ito po, upgrading ng mode of payment. So mode of payment can be upgraded anytime after completion of its respective cycle. So if within 30 days after purchase, kailangan mo lang ng filled out amendment form, payment of additional installment due to corresponding to the amount of updated mode of payment. If beyond 30 days after purchase, filled out amendment form, kailangan po natin, payment of processing fee, that's 300 pesos, and then computation of dues based on the desired mode of payment. So basically, kung within 30 days after po na effectivity date, walang processing fee of 300 pesos. Beyond that, meron po tayong processing fee na kailangan bayaran. So take note of this, downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. So upgrading lang po tayo, wala pong downgrading. Ibig sabihin, kung naka-annual ka na, you cannot downgrade to semi-annual or quarterly or monthly. So age eligibility. Sabi ko nga po kanina, no, marami po tayong Kaiser policy. You can check the person who invited you to attend this training or to watch this training para po makita natin or ma-check po natin kung saan policy po tayo nagpo-fall. So basically, from the age 10 to 40, covered ka pa ng lahat ng policy. So ang lowest plan po natin is K45. So from K45 hanggang dun sa last na policy, covered pa tayo. So that's from age 10 to 40. Age 41 to 50, ang lowest plan na pwede natin kunin is K60, pataas. And then, from age 51 up to the age 60, the lowest plan that we can get na is yung K75, pataas. Okay, so that's age eligibility. So balikan ko lang, no? Just a review, solid financial foundation. Kaiser answers our 3 major financial needs during productive years and even retirement years. So napakaganda po talaga nitong savings plan na to. Kung i-maximize lang natin, habang tayo ay nasa productive years pa, mataas yung chance na pwede nating ma-maximize yung accumulation ng funds natin. So mas malaki yung magiging healthcare fund natin pagdating ng ating retirement years. So that's the end of our Kaiser training. I hope you learned something. I hope you appreciate more about this training.